Today we will show the replacement of the 8th generation plastic handheld welding head collimator lenses. First, loosen the 3 fixing screws. Take out the QBH lock. Cover the textured paper. Prevent dust from entering. Rotate to remove the locking ring. Remove the gasket above the lens. Replace the collimator lenses. Install the convex side of the collimator lenses facing up. After replacement, reinstall the gasket above the lens. Tighten the locking ring. Slowly install the QBH lock back into the gun body. When installing, pay attention to the alignment of the inner hole of the tube with the machine-based meter hole. Tighten the fixing screws. The collimator lenses is completed.